Hi everyone, welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make these delicious, smooth and creamy cheesecake bars that are topped with a decadent dark chocolate ganache. The first step is to make the graham cracker crust. For that, combine together graham cracker crumbs, some brown sugar, and some granulated sugar and melted butter. Adding a little bit of brown sugar just adds so much depth of flavor into the crust. Give this a mix until all the ingredients are fully incorporated. The written recipe will be available in the description box below, so click the link to check that out. Transfer this mixture into a lined 6-inch square pan and then use a clean glass or the bottom of your measuring cup to spread this out evenly. Once that's nice and smooth, set this aside and we're going to prepare the cheesecake filling. In a large bowl, combine together softened cream cheese and granulated sugar. You want to make sure to use full-fat cream cheese, otherwise the cheesecake will be very runny. Now we're going to give this a whisk until it is smooth and creamy. You can also use a hand mixer if you prefer. Next, we're going to add in the sour cream. You can also substitute this for full-fat Greek yogurt and some vanilla extract. Give this a mix until it is fully incorporated. Next, we're going to add in the eggs. Crack each of the eggs into a separate smaller bowl and give that a light whisk. Then you're going to add this into the cream cheese mixture and mix only until just combined. Do not overbeat the eggs. This will cause the cheesecake to have a curdled texture rather than a smooth and creamy texture. Repeat the same step with one more egg, and then again you want to remember not to overbeat the eggs. This step is very important to get a smooth and creamy cheesecake. These cheesecake bars are so much easier to make than regular cheesecakes, and they also come together in a fraction of the time. Also, you do not have to use a water bath to bake these, nor do you have to worry about cracks or anything like that. And that's it. The batter is nice and smooth. You're going to use a spatula to clean the sides, making sure there's no more lumps of cream cheese, and then go ahead and pour this onto the base that we made earlier. Give the cheesecake a few taps on the counter to remove any air bubbles, and then bake at 165 degrees Celsius for 35 to 45 minutes. You'll know the cheesecake is done when the sides are puffed up slightly and the center should be jiggly but still set. You're going to let the cheesecake cool to room temperature and then refrigerate for 6 hours or preferably overnight. For the ganache topping, add your chopped chocolate into a heat-proof bowl, and then you're going to heat a 1/4 cup of heavy cream on medium heat until it starts to simmer. Pour that hot cream over the chopped chocolate and then cover with some foil and let that sit for 5 minutes undisturbed. 5 minutes later, remove the foil, and then you're going to whisk the ingredients together until it forms a smooth ganache. Pour the ganache over the chilled cheesecake and then spread it out evenly. Chill the cheesecake for an additional 15 to 20 minutes to allow the ganache to fully set. Once it's set, you can go ahead and slice it up and serve. To get super clean cuts, you want to make sure to wipe down the knife between every cut. You can cut them as big or as small as you like. Doesn't that look amazing? The 3 distinct layers are just so beautiful. And that's it. Your delicious cheesecake bars are ready to enjoy. They are smooth and creamy, and they have the most buttery graham cracker crust. They are like little mini portable cheesecakes. They're perfect for parties and potlucks. If you haven't already, subscribe to the Food Flamingo for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it, and comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thanks for watching.